The key may vary from other PCs. In my case for Acer laptops it is F2. Go to boot option on the top and then turn on secure boot first. Now go to security tab. In the security tab go down to select a new EFI file as trusted for executing. You will find HDDO option, enter into it. Now click and enter EFI and then you will find Kali here. Enter into Kali, then you will find grub64.efi, click and enter on it. You will get a window like this. Enter Kali in the description and continue yes. After continuing with yes, press ESC to go to main boot menu. Now go to boot tab and disable secure boot option. Now bring the EFI file boot0, Kali to the first position by using F6. After placing Kali at first, go to exit tab and click on exit, saving changes. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe.